you guys? It's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. Yes, I know it's been a long time since I've posted. I haven't been on my A game. I don't know. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. So if you want to see the get up, the glam, the glitz, and how I'm getting ready to do this with Babe, then let's get right into this video. It keep going blurry, and I hope it doesn't go blurry throughout this whole video, but today is July 24th. is my boyfriend's surprise birthday party. So I'm trying to get ready. I just got off from work. My ass is tired, and yeah, it's like 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna try to do that, and then I'm gonna try to do a quick little haul that I got from Shein. So let's do this. I just did my eyebrows. Alright, so I'm gonna use my P. Louise base for the eyelid. Please don't go blurry. I'm not doing nothing much. I'm gonna have a red lip because I'm gonna wear a white dress with my McQueen's, and I don't have a bright bag or a jean bag, so I'm just gonna wear my Palm Angels bag with a red lip just to complete it all. So that's gonna be the vibes. My boyfriend's father decided to throw him a surprise birthday party, and his youngest sister is like putting it all together like she does party planning. So I'm not even going to be wearing a full face of makeup. I'm just gonna have makeup to like up here to like right here, and that's it, because I'm gonna be wearing a hat and I don't want to mess up the hat. So because it's really not that deep, I just want to be able to have my makeup done and take a dope picture. Then I'm gonna go into the darker brown and just put that right here. And that is literally all that I am doing. I'm gonna take my Mega Wet n Wild wing line. Wing line take the most concentration. So now that I have that, I'm gonna clean it up and then do the rest of my face. And I just put these nails on. I know they're not gonna last, so I'm probably gonna have to put them back on Monday, because it's Saturday right now. I'm gonna have to probably put it back on because I know they're gonna pop off. Good thing they give you extra in the pack. Now I'm gonna put primer on my face. Put some color corrector on. This bump right here, popped bump. My dark upper lip. But translucent powder so this color corrector can stay and not budge. Alright, so I'm gonna put on my foundation. Good thing it's not taking me that long. It's only been 30 minutes. So I guess I do have time to do a haul. Alright, so I'm gonna contour just a little bit. I feel like this is too dark. I did too much on the nose. We're gonna fix it. I'm gonna go into my dose of colors. I'm gonna let that dry just a bit. I'm gonna put my lipstick on now since everything about to be done anyway, and I just want to see how it looks. I just love the way this feels on my lip, the spoolie. I love this vibrant red lipstick. Like, this is everything. I need to buy another one of this because I know this is old and probably expired, but I'm still using it. It's just like so vibrant. It's like better, dare I say, it's better than Ruby Woo. Ruby Woo used to be my go-to red lipstick, but this, marvelous, marvelous. Put some Fenty Trophy Wipe in my inner corner. I'm gonna put some blush on. This I got from BoxyCharm. I haven't been using BoxyCharm in a while, but Didn't even set my under eye. Don't want no type of flashback. I'll put some mascara at the bottom. So then I'm gonna put this wig on. Like I said, I'm gonna be wearing a hat, so I'm just gonna secure it with spritz. Alright, so I'm not even gonna glue the wig down like with spritz. I'm gonna just put it on since I'm wearing the hat. It's not gonna go nowhere. I mean, it's on pretty tight, so I'm not worried. I'm gonna use my all-nighter setting spray. Definitely need more of this. Let me get dressed and I'll be right back. So I have my outfit on. I'm gonna pastel my hair with the flat iron. I don't really care about everything else because the hat is staying on. And if somebody take off this hat, they are weird, so.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
I'll be like, oh, let me see your hair and take your hat off. I don't know why people be so comfortable into doing stuff like that. I don't know. So I got my mini earrings. I got them from Etsy. They're not like real bamboo earrings. And these bracelets I got from Shein. I really like this one because you could just pull this one into being tighter. I gotta hurry up because I only have an hour before he gets here to do the clothing haul. I'm gonna just do the sit down version and then the try on portion afterwards. So this is the finished look. I don't know if you guys can see, but I got the McQueens on. I'm gonna insert pictures if I get good pictures. I'm gonna just insert them right here so you can see the whole outfit and what it was given. And yeah, if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Until next time, peace.